You've made it to another weekend, so let's take a look at what has been hiding in your shadow during this week, the rejected part of yourself, and how will you continue to use your power of choice. You see, the shadow work theme for this weekend is about expectations. So let me ask you to reflect on this question. What are you expecting, relying on to happen in your life? Why? And how has this expectation caused you to wait and defer your ability to grow? Now, first, let's look at the meaning of a few words. The words are expect, expectation, disappointment, detach, and accomplishment. Now, the word expect means to wait, to defer action, count upon, to do something, trust, or rely on. Expectation means a state or condition of waiting or awaiting with confident anticipation. Disappointment means defeat or failure of hope, to frustrate the expectation. Detach means unfasten, untie, separate for a special purpose or service. And last, accomplishment means performance of a task, state of completion. Now, based on their meaning, expectation is waiting with confident anticipation, a deferring of action. An accomplishment is a state of completion of a task, and when you are in your shadow, the rejected part of yourself, you'll unconsciously take delight in waiting, relying on another by acquiescing, becoming quiet, a type of dependency or codependency to fulfill your needs, which then creates a resistance for you to grow in your life. Now, this expectation causes your flow of movement to pause, to stand still, affecting your ability to creatively think, emotionally feel, and accurately take action to accomplish what you need in order to grow. And this pausing causes you to delay your power of choice. Now, the mind loves to outdo itself when you are expecting, and this is because it tricks the body to wait. But this waiting is not a relaxing wait. This waiting is an unsettled internal movement that makes you feel like you're running out of time, breaking down the energy of the body, which eventually weakens the mind and the body and will cause you to misuse your power of trust. Therefore, you start to feel defeated and you will start to lose hope. So how will you know when you are expecting? By becoming a conscious observer and analyzing your internal and external patterns that you haven't previously recognized before that is causing you to misuse your power of choice. Now, expectation lives in the sacral chakra, and through your sacral chakra is where you store your ethics, your power and control, and how you take risks. It's where you create, give birth to life, to things such as art, music, children, business, and etc. It's where you build relationships, whether long-term or short-term, that are related to sex and finance. And last, it stores your fear of loss and your addictions. So what type of expectations are you creating to accomplish from your sacral? Are you being honest with yourself, with your expectations, and how? And what truths do you have to face? Now, what type of relationship is your expectation creating? Is it sexual? Is it financial? Is it controlling? Is it dependent or codependent? Or is it respectful, open, and honest? And what fears would you have to face if what you are expecting don't happen? How will you deal with the disappointment and not fall victim to guilt? How will you not allow your guilt to make you addicted to the same old repeated patterns? Now, accomplishment only unveils itself when you recognize the disappointment that comes with expectation. This knowing allows you to use your power of choice wisely to detach so that you can carry out what you're needing in order for you to grow in your life. Now, this detachment comes with trust in the mind, stability in the body, flow in your creativity, and fulfillment in your growth. And last, when you are detached, you are able to see all the different ways that you can accomplish what you need in order to grow. You are able to trust and explore those different aspects, and you are using your power of choice wisely because you know where they lead. So therefore, you are no longer expecting. You're no longer resisting to grow. You are accomplishing to fulfill, to complete, and you are creating to grow, and you are using your power of choice wisely. Now, to learn more about how you can use your power of choice effectively to accomplish the things that you need in your life, then check out my mentorship program that will help you to fully align yourself with your vision, your mission, and your values. The link is in the description box. And if you need more immediate one-on-one attention because you might be feeling lost, confused, unmotivated, or etc. due to being out of alignment in your values or misdirected in your mission, or even lack clarity on your vision, which is causing you to misuse your power of choice to make the decisions and take the necessary actions to push your life forward, then book a guided coaching session with me so that I can help you to analyze how you've been misusing your power of choice. The link is in the description box as well. Now feel free to leave a comment to share with others what you are experiencing and how you are using your power of choice. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that this video can help others strengthen their power of choice. And I look forward to seeing you in our next weekend shadow work session.